when I was working most actively in the District of Columbia, I did a lot of juvenile defense work. So I was defending juveniles who had already been charged. And so I had one particular case where a child was both in the juvenile system and in the abuse and neglect system. And in that case, the court placed this child with the foster family, a temporary foster family. It came to my attention and to the guardian ad litem's attention that the family who had taken her in as a foster child was treating this individual, this client, inappropriately. They were separating them from the other children. They would lock them away when they had guests. They were very demeaning to the child. So I spoke with the guardian ad litem. Guardian ad litem issued a motion saying, okay, we need to change this. This is a problem. I supported that motion because I'm not in the abuse and neglect case. I'm in the juvenile case, but I'm writing because I'm the one who secured those facts. The result of that was not a change in the family, but the judge saying the guardian ad litem was too concerned, too caring about the child to be a guardian ad litem and remove them and put somebody else on the case.
Wow.
Now,
Too caring?
Too caring. They didn't know, they were too concerned about the child.
Too attached.
Right.
Yeah, exactly. So what ends up happening is that the child gets another guardian ad litem who is less concerned about these things. Eventually, the child just ends up aging out and kind of going on their own. Now, a few years after that, and this was when I wasn't doing as much juvenile defense work, I get an email from that child. What the child says to me is, thank you, because when you were representing me, I felt safe. That didn't have to do with juvenile defense from a legal standpoint. That had to do from the fact that she felt like somebody was on her side. So one of the things that we have to recognize is the perspective of the people who are in the situation, in which that they don't feel that there's anybody who's actually concerned about them.